Hey Stampers, it's Gaynor again. This is just a little quick one to show you what I had delivered yesterday, and I forgot to do it. But look at these beautiful papers that the gorgeous Gaynor Webb sent me. OMG. Graphic 45s. Enchanted Forest. Absolutely beautiful. Look. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's two of those, and the opposite is this. It's like a harlequin paper. It's beautiful. So there's that one and that one, and then there's that one which is the opposite to that one. These are absolutely stunning. And then you get like a checkered effect, and that is on the other side. Look at that. Just stunning papers. So I'm going to make and I'm going to make a little file box, like a recipe box. So that's the opposite to that. Look at these. Look at the labels. Princess, I Believe in Fairies, My Knight in Shining Armour, Prince Charming, Princess, and then it starts again. The gorgeous stamp, Once Upon a Time, all the way across there. If music be the food of love, play on. And then you've got this one with the baby in a crib, the princess, the knight and the dragon, I Believe in Fairies, Enchanted. Look at these gorgeous stamps. And there's that one. Just beautiful. There's only one of those, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards on here. And can you imagine if I make a little box that size, or just slightly bigger, and put these in, matted on card, black card, and then white on the back for you to write a recipe on. Keep it in your kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. And that is the opposite side. What a shame to cover it though. Oh, absolutely stunning. Look at this. The Fair Maiden, Happily Ever After, oh, it's the alphabet. Oh, I want to know, I couldn't read it. And then, If Music Be the Food of Love, Play On. And then that is on the opposite side. And then look at this, just gorgeous. And then this. So, I'm going to use this chipboard that came to make a little box with these gorgeous papers. Also in the packet was these, I asked her where she got these beautiful little stickers from. She didn't tell me, but she sent me 2 packets. Look how gorgeous they are. They're like they're mini faceted gems. See if I can get them up. The packet is glued on up there. These are just gorgeous. Look at them. Let me find mine. There they are. You know the gold ones, and we've got the silver as well. They are tiny, tiny, tiny versions of, oh there it is, of those. They're just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And she sent me 2 packets. How lucky am I? Oh my gosh. I feel so blessed. So I'm going to incorporate these on the little box somewhere as well. And look at this. Absolutely beautiful. I asked on some of her cards where that giant love heart was. And look, she sent it to me. Isn't that beautiful? M&C, is it? M&C Boutique. Oh, from the works. Ah, that is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Thank you, Gaynor. You are a superstar. I love this side. It's absolutely stunning. And not so much fussed on the flags, yeah, but I love this side. Stunning. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Stunning. Even nicer on that side. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at the wings on the, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I just love it all. Thank you so much. So, yeah, I keep a little a big recipe book, and I just jot things down. But to have a little tin sitting there beautifully on my unit in the kitchen, I can just flick through. And because some of the graphic papers came with little file folders, and on the back of the, let me show you if I've got a piece still. I think I may have a piece here. Nope. Oh, right there, is that it? No. Oh. I made some file folders out of it. It may be in this one because I've still got the packet. Let me see. Is it this one? Yes, this one. Here. I've got it, it's coming. Oh, I've just dropped everything on the floor. Ah, there we go. So look, if you look inside, you get these little file folders. And you can cut those out, and I'm going to make a little file. I'm just going to measure this one. I'm not going to cut out the book, but you know, I want it roughly that width, the box. Maybe make these slightly smaller to fit those card fronts. But yeah, this is all still from the patterns. They are, and at front as well. 4x6 cards. You've got gift tags, more gift tags, and at the back, like I'm saying, they give you like a 4x6 file folder template. You've got like a gift tag pocket, gift tags, ACT cards, and bookmarks, all cut out. So that's where I'm going to get that measurement from. So I won't put that right away, but I'll put all my other stickers. So what I'll do, I'll go in a minute now, get all my pieces ready, and then we'll come back and make this little recipe book and recipe box at the same time. And I'll give you the measurements too. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So I'll be back shortly now, and thank you Gaynor for those absolutely stunning papers and the gorgeous gems and the dye. Absolutely stunning of you. Absolutely stunning of you, my darling. You are a little angel. And I might even well, we'll see what we can make with all these gorgeous papers. Just stunning. So we're back shortly. See you soon. Bye.